The Roborock Qrevo Master offers a blend of convenience and performance, making it a great choice for busy households. Its station tray washing feature reduces manual maintenance by keeping the docking station clean, while its mop and side brush reach ensures a thorough cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. Additionally, its fast mapping capability allows it to quickly learn your home's layout, enabling efficient and timely cleaning sessions. These features make a user-friendly option for those who value efficiency and thoroughness. Despite its strengths, the Qrevo Master has some notable weaknesses. The lack of photo or video capture functionality in its live video mode limits its utility for users seeking added security features. Its obstacle avoidance is not as robust as competitors, occasionally causing it to bump into objects or to get stuck. Additionally, hair tangling on the rollers can lead to more frequent maintenance, particularly in homes with pets or humans with long hair. These drawbacks might detract from its overall appeal for some users.